The butterfly's journey from caterpillar to wings. Once upon a time, in a lush green meadow, lived a tiny caterpillar named Bella. Bella often watched the butterflies flutter around, their colorful wings painting the air. Will I ever fly like them? She wondered, feeling small and ordinary. One day, Bella heard a wise old beetle say, "Patience, little one. Every journey begins with a step." Determined, Bella began her journey, eating leaves to grow strong.
As days turned to weeks, Bella felt sleepy. She spun herself into a cozy cocoon. Is this the end? She wondered, as the world grew quiet around her. But inside, a magical transformation was taking place. One bright morning, Bella stretched and emerged from the cocoon. She flapped her delicate wings, feeling the breeze lift her for the first time.
Bella realized that her journey wasn't just about flying, it was about believing in herself. And so, Bella danced through the sky, inspiring others to embrace their own transformations. Every journey is unique, but it begins with a single step. Believe in your wings.
If you enjoyed this story and loved the way it was designed, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, JCC Official. We've also shared beautiful and easy design tutorials that you can try yourself.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.